This is a yellow variety of cauliflower. This variety is known as carotina. The pigment carotene present in it makes it look yellow in color. This variety is biofortified, and because of its high nutritious value, it fetch high market price. This variety is resistant to some of the disease, and it has good medicinal properties as well. Because as it is biofortified, this crop is extensively being promoted by the many scientific organizations as well. Farmers who are cultivating this variety can gain good market price